Your kit is here. Let's assemble the mounting stand for your solar panel and attach the Craftstrom microinverter. The whole process is incredibly straightforward, requires minimal to no tools, and can easily be done right in your living room before you take it outside. Let's open up the box and get started. Inside the box, you'll find all the pre-drilled metal frame pieces and a small hardware bag containing the bolts you'll need. Go ahead and unpack everything, remove the protective wrapping, and lay your pieces out flat so they are easy to grab. First, we're going to build the two main support legs, which form an A-frame shape. Think of building two letter A's for each side of the stand. You'll need one long, one medium, and one short piece to make each letter A. Line up the holes of each part, insert your bolt, secure it with the provided nut, and tighten it down with your fingers. Repeat this exact same process for the second set of legs. Now that you have two letter A's, it's time to connect them to give the stand its stability. Lay your frames parallel to each other and grab your longest bottom crossbars and secure it midway up the frame. Make sure all your bolts are nice and tight so the frame doesn't wobble. With the frame built, we can mount the solar panel itself. Carefully lift the panel and rest it against the angled front of your new stand. The holes on the panel will slide perfectly over the holes of the frame you just assembled. Once it is seated properly, secure with the provided panel screws to lock the panel in place. The final piece of the hardware assembly is attaching the microinverter. Take your Craftstrom inverter and locate the mounting plate on the top. Simply hook the top of the plate over the center crossbar we installed earlier. Slide it into position and screw it down firmly. This keeps your inverter off the ground and safely tucked behind the panel. And there you have it, a sturdy, perfectly angled stand ready to start catching some sun rays. If you found this assembly guide helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY projects and setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.